Uyazi yabonakala ukuthi ukhona lo muntu iMK emfunayo as uSG kodwa akamthuli kahle. I told that kid ezofit ikhakha kweposition ka SG. You could tell in a short space of time how many SGs asebengenele baphuma. Yet this is a very critical position. But ngoba iMK yabafowethu and they know ukuthi bayibafowethu ngaphandle kwalabo abhayizayo. Ngoba iMK yabafowethu mina ngifisa ukuyincinza nje indlebe kancane. Bafowethu the deployment ya Floyd Shivambu as a national organizer. Guys, you were searching this guy to fail. I'm telling you. This guy is not vibrant and is not a dynamic orator. He's not akasonis khulumi. The guy is a think tank. The guy can make a very good Secretary General. The guy can make a good SG. Try it and see. La ngikhuluma nama intellectuals eMK. Ngikhuluma ke nalaba ngikhuluma kanjani into zeMK ngeyona MK. No man. MK is a recognized party. Like our ANC. Ngeke ulishone la ngingakhulumanga ngeANC. Whether ANC noma uyona but ngelishone la like MK. Recognized parties. So ilo mphaka nginikeza wona ke Magerele bo command. But ke itask enkulu ebhekene ke nengcitha buchopho zakithi ezikwipolitiki. Itask enkulu eyokuthi asebenzisana kanjani lama progressive parties. Ayiyeke lento yokuhlukana ngoba isebenzile. You see abelungu mabehleli kwi drawing board bakhuluma ngento about how to maintain ama divisions kubantu abamnyama because si majority vele mesike sahlangana we become a majority. So okwabe ukuthi imaintainwa kanjani ke ama divisions lawa kabanye bethu abawa enjoyayo and awasebenzeli. Thina sifuna ingcitha buchopho ezizoba netask zihlale zibuka ukuthi sihlangana kanjani ukuze si enjoy majority. Black power. Si enjoy majority. We are the majority. You see, ngithema ngizwa leka kaDalithambo ukuthi he played a role in the formation of the MK and he presented a document to the leadership of the EFF ukuthi akuhlangana. Ngathi mina this is a good start. Progressive parties should merge. Iphele lento lena yokuhlukana isizimuntu. And I'm not talking about lento ukuthi sifuna ukukhipha ubani ungena ubani. No. Sijahile le nto thina. Sifuna ukuthi inhlangano lomnyama sibe majority. Sibuyisela ama-items afana nawo land. Ibuye into ye-land restitution ibuyele as an item ibe priority. And ibe clear ukuthi izokwenzeka kanjani nini. Ngalokho kulunye into engapheli. No drive uya eGoli ubuka la ko Free State ubuka uthi madoda umhlaba ongaka madoda. Hey.